Today, I am bringing you the easiest morning routine that you can ever think of, and you can duplicate that and make it a night routine also. But let me show you how quick and easy this morning skincare routine is. Face is already washed. I have oily skin. Take a look at what my face looks like now, because when I'm finished, you will see the difference. We tend to have to use a lot of things during our time of moisturizing our face. You can still use them, but I'm going to make it very, very easy so you can use your products and don't have to worry about which one comes first, which one comes last, how do I layer. And that's going to cut your morning time so you can get out and do what you have to do fast. You ready? Keep watching. First, cotton ball. You can use any toner. I have a milky one by Ordinary, which I love, and I also have the Dickinson's, which I love. Two of my favorites. So today, since I shave and do the whiskers around my mouth, I'm going to use this one. But you can use any toner you have. A little bit on a cotton ball or cotton rounds or whatever you have. And I'm looking in the mirror over here, and I'm just going to wipe the excess of anything that's on my face. I washed my face already. But again, I have oily skin, and that helps with the pores, because my pores are large and they absorb a lot of stuff, because oily skin, you know how that goes. But even though you don't have oily skin and you want to use a toner, use one. But this easy way is going to help you to use your products. Okay, done. See, this is what it looks like. So I know my face is clean. Next, I am using the Ordinary serum. I'm trying it. I just bought it and I want to try it. You know, the Cetaphil is my favorite so far. So all I need is a little bit. This is very, very potent. So I put it right here, as you can see. Under this I have, under this I does not have. You see the difference? I hope you can. See? I take a little bit again for the other eye, and I do that. Because the reason why I do that, I'm going to use it to do up and bottom. Up and top. And I do that. I try to get one eye cream or eye serum that does both jobs. Most eye serums or eye creams sting and burn. These, so far, the Ordinary one does not, and the Cetaphil that I have does not. As you can see, this is what under my eye look like. I'm going far away so you can see. See the difference? Now my face, I only have toner on. This is where the trick comes in. In the morning, you can use something with SPF. At night, you don't have an SPF, but you can still do this trick and this quickness to get you cut through all of that applying and waiting to dry method for your skincare. Now, this is the CeraVe. I love this one. It's a lotion with SPF 30. I put a couple pumps in my hand. 1, 2, 3. Even though I have oily skin, I still moisturize. If you have oily skin, still moisturize. I have this triple plumping serum by hers. So I take one pump. And I mix it with my moisturizer. Then I rub it together. The warmth of the hand is going to just gel everything together. So remember that your hands are important. And if you are dry skin, you can use more than one pump of the serum. But I have oily skin, so I'm doing that. See, this is what it looks like now. And I'm just going to put it all over my face and my neck. And then I rub it in. I even pass it under my eye just for extra moisture under my eye because I'm very dry on the eye, even though I have oily skin. Under my eyes are very dry. And I do this. So now I don't have to wait for the serum to dry. I have everything in one. And this is it. This is what I do. And it cuts down the time of all the stuff that I have to wait to dry. This is what my hands look like. I always take it and rub on my elbows. I go like this with my hands because it's moisturizer. You want your elbows to look good. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. And now I take my Vaseline and I take a little bit and I put on my lips. All the corners, all on the outside of my lips. I make sure I have it there. I smooth it on my lips and make sure it is well applied. Because you know Vaseline, if you just pluck it there and you just go 1, 2, you might still look a little white because petroleum. This is my easy skincare routine. You can try it. It works wonders. My skin stays supple and nice and moisturized, even though I have oily skin, and I have cut down the time to like zilch. I don't have to wait 5 minutes for the serum to dry, or 10 minutes for this to dry, or another one and the layering and layering. I just put it all together and everything works out fine. Try this, let me know if it worked for you, and leave me in the comments if you think that's a good idea that you would like to try. Easy, simple skincare, any time of day, and you're in and out. I put the Vaseline on because I'm going nowhere today, so I'm just relaxing. If I'm going out, I'll just put like a lip oil or a lipstick, which I love, and I'm gone. But my face is moisturized in less than no time. Thank you all again for watching. Remember to love yourself a little bit each and every day because you are important. Your soul needs you to love it because it is yours. Do not dim your light for another. Share this video, subscribe, and I'll see you very shortly. Bye bye.